Hey everybody, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing teriyaki chicken, but I don't even want to call it teriyaki chicken. It's so amazing. You might want to just call it amazing chicken. We're doing it next year on Buzz Cooks. Simple, tender, flavor town, amazing chicken next.
Oh, teriyaki chicken, song is strong. That flavor hits deep like a favorite song. I like to marinate it low and slow. Let the soy and ginger steal the show.
All right, let's get into this. First thing we're going to do is tenderize this chicken. If you don't have one of these little tenderizers, pick one up on Amazon. I'm telling you, they're amazing. But if you don't have one right now, just use a fork and get forking on that chicken. So once we get this chicken tenderized, then we're going to get out a sharp butcher knife and we're going to score it. We're going to go across widthwise, only going about halfway deep, and then the lengthwise, 1 and 2. So that's going to give us nice little squares on the top, like you see there. And we'll do that to both chicken breasts. And then we'll set that chicken to the side while we put together our marinade for this amazing teriyaki but better chicken. So, 2 cloves of diced garlic, teaspoon of dried ginger, and now I'm putting all this into my little Ninja Bullet. Always works great to mix things up. I'm going to put in 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and just a little touch of sesame oil, about 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and soy sauce, about half a cup. There we go. I've got some sriracha. Trying that new Tabasco flavored sriracha. And that was about 1.5 tablespoons. That one you can leave out depending on you if you like heat or not. Now let's throw it into the Ninja and get that all mixed up real good. Give it a little shake, hit it again. Now I'm going to get out a Ziploc bag, put my chicken in the bag, and then we're going to pour this right over the top, and we're going to let this chicken marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours before we bake it. There we go. Close it up, get all the air out. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and family about the show. Make sure you subscribe, very important. I appreciate it very much. And I put a new show out every Wednesday and every Sunday. So hit that bell to be notified when new shows and videos come out. So once we let that marinate for a few hours, we're going to get out our cookie sheet. I love these little silicone bottoms. Makes cleaning, nothing sticks. And we'll just take our chicken out, put it right on top of that silicone bottom. And I got a little brush there for any areas that might have been missed, just to make sure everybody's coated nice. I've got my oven heated to 285 degrees. And I'm going to pop mine in there for about 35 minutes or until you hit internal temperature of 165 degrees. So once I popped it in and it got nice and cooked and it was the perfect temperature, I then hit the broiler and I popped it in to the top shelf on the broiler just to give me a little caramelization on top of that chicken at the end. And then we just served that over some rice that I made. Had some green onions that I chopped up and sprinkled on top. And we had a beautiful, amazing, super flavorful, better than teriyaki chicken. I did top it off with some Kinder's teriyaki sauce at the very end. That was an option as well. But make this dish, I think everybody's gonna love it. It's super easy, super tender. The chicken comes out so moist and delicious. It's awesome. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Like a favorite song, I like to marinate it low and slow. Let the soy and ginger steal the show. Poison sauce with a sriracha kick. A spoon of brown sugar does a sweet heat trick. Top with green onions, fresh and bright. Serve it on rice. Oh, what a bite. Super tender, juicy and sweet. This is the chicken I can't wait to eat. So simple to make, such a savory treat. It brings the whole family to their seat. Flavor Town style, it's a weekly delight. One bite of this dish and it feels just right. Oh, teriyaki chicken, you're my go-to call. Dinner served. Get ready, y'all. Get ready, y'all. Get ready, y'all.
Oh, and by the way, if you haven't, I've got another channel called Vegas Buzz. If you're at all interested in any of the history of Las Vegas, on how Vegas started with the mafia, the pioneers that developed the casinos and the town, any kind of history, give it a look. I think you'll enjoy it. It's Vegas Buzz on YouTube. Very informative. We've gone back to, we've done shows on Evel Knievel jumping the fountains, to Kirk Kerkorian building the MGM, bringing Elvis to Vegas. So far it's going pretty well. So check it out, Vegas Buzz on YouTube. Thank you.
But it all adds fuel to a fire I can't touch. I keep pushing forward, keep trying each day. But the dice never seem